all good. So today we're going to do something a little bit different. Picked up a 8 horsepower Mercury engine, and we're going to fill up a tub, put the engine in, and will it start? Let's hope so. Might have to have a fiddle here and there, but never know. Let's go and have a play. So, got it outside already. Got it sitting in the tub at the moment. I've put a fuel tank on it with the plunger. Bear with me, setting up a stand, plunger. I've released the fuel pressure, fuel's on. Pump the fuel up to the housing. Let's go over and have a look, shall we? So there's the fuel setup. Got a turn off switch when you take the pipe off. 12 litre tank, follow along the pipe. Up to a priming bulb. And then up to the main engine. Obviously all this cosmetic stuff can all be done. Can take the stickers off, we can repaint all of that. It's not a problem at the moment. Got to work out why this has been made, because I thought outboard tops are always meant to be closed off. Same on this side, got a bit of paint and that on it. That's an 8 horsepower, so this undoer can be hard to do with one hand, but I should be able to do it. A bit awkward. Ooh. Just plonk this over here. Let's see what we got. The old plugs and stuff look fairly old, but it's not really a problem because I'm going to give it a full service anyway. We'll go through all these electrics, which is a bit greasy in there. Someone's been a bit happy with the spray grease. Not sure why that's sitting there like that. Looks like it bolts up through there, so I'm guessing, yeah, it looks like it's been put on the wrong way around. So here's our first job. Here's the carburetor, gear linkages and everything, coil packs, water pumps, and the big old pull start with the flywheel. This end in here is the kill switch. Also got an on-off switch here. Gears are on the end here. The large arrow is the one that points to what gear you're in. Reverse, forward, click, 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 each gear. This is all how you bolt onto the boat. Carry handle, choke, which is not moving too much. Oh, there we go. There you go. Choke. Push back in. So yeah, that's what we got so far. When you do start these, make sure you got plenty of water in above you. Until it comes to this level, really. But as long as you've got water going in, and water should come out of this pipe here and squirt out of there. So hopefully that'll all happen when we try and get it started. I'm not going to do anything first, I'm just going to try and get it going. And then in another video we'll give her a service and do some fixing. So let's give it a pull and see if we can get it started. Right, so we're not in gear. A little bit of choke. Fuel lines are all on, we're all primed up. Engine's on run. Wish me luck. Second pull. Wow, I certainly wasn't expecting that. Second pull. Sounds like we're running pretty good. Revving a bit. Working in the water. Might be in the colour. On the pipe, have a look. There it comes. gear, shall we? Goes in gear. Can't rev it too much because it'll just fill up the whole engine bay of water. As you can see, it's clearly in gear. Then we get reversed as well. Back in neutral. Something to make it rev while it's in neutral. We're in reverse. Still move. Alright, I'm going to run a bit of the old carb cleaner through her. I'm going to put her in gear. There's sort of constant idle. Didn't like that, did it? Back out of gear. Going second pull every time, which is quite impressive. Wow, not bad at all. Quite impressed, to be honest. I didn't expect it to go after a couple of turns. So it's looking pretty good so far. Still going to give it a full service and everything, just so I know everything's good. But yeah, I'm quite impressed. Seemed to be pumping out a fair bit of water. Don't know why it weren't pumping while it was in there. if I squeezing it a bit, or put it back in there and try it again in a minute. But so far so good. It's starting quite easy. Electrical connections and stuff all look like they're pretty good, but we'll redo anything that looks slightly dodgy. They're all looking pretty good. The main thing is this bit of whatever's going on here. The bolt in the top of that is meant to go through all of that, I reckon, or it's meant to have a frame and that's meant to sit there, I'm not sure, but we can quite easily make up something for that, which we'll definitely do, because where there's pipes coming across and going through here, this is a fill pipe, and that's sitting there rubbing on a screw at the moment, which is a bad idea. I want it at least there and out of the way. So I'm going to stop this one there. We'll give her a trial out on the boat at some point, but obviously I need to get it all nice first. We'll do a video of giving it a service, so stay tuned for that. Look out for that coming soon. And not too bad. Well, that weren't too bad, was it? I was expecting it to be a lot harder than that to start. The chap I bought off, when I went to look at it, he had a lot of trouble getting it to start and getting it to run right, but maybe he weren't doing things right. But either way, it's up and running and looking good. So I'll give it a service. The impeller looked like a spinning well, but we'll probably change that as well. And then it's time to put it on the back of one of the sibs and take it for a spin. I think we'll take it down the broads first, give it a little run around the broads, make sure it's all good and reliable, not going to break down or anything. And then at some point I think we'll whack it on the big sib and take it out to sea. So stay tuned and I'll see you soon in another video.